It's officially spring, which means it's time to get your water feature up and running. How do we ready a water feature for spring? For this pond, we begin by draining the water feature and removing the fish to a safe location. Then we clean out any large debris. Thankfully, this pond was netted over the winter, so there's not too much. The biofalls and skimmer box are the first to be hand cleaned. After all large debris is removed from inside the pond, we continue blowing away debris around the outside of the pond as well. We will dispose of all of this later. The power washing process also begins back at the biofalls and skimmer box. We then power wash all the rocks, removing grime and discoloration. Next, we reinstall the pump that we removed and stored during our winterization process last fall. Once all the cleaning is complete, we return the fish back to the pond, using some of the old water as well. Then we continue to fill up the pond and test all interior systems. The water will take a bit to clear up. Now that the pond is up and running and the fish are healthy and safe, we just wait for the spring blooms and summer weather to bring this space back to picture perfect. Is your water feature ready for spring? If not, let us help.